Hello. So, staying in theme with making your own stuff. Tonight, I'm going to be making perfume. Perfume. So, I made a body mist for my son. And let me tell you, easy as breeze. Alcohol, baby. And I'm doing a mixture of 3 different scents for my baby boy. And it's scents that are masculine because he's a man. So I'm using Palo Santos, Amber Noir, and Sandalwood. And my baby spritzer, he already came and took it. Smelled so good. Now, Kyra chose what she wanted in her perfume. So look at this vintage perfume bottle I got in the antique store. Look at the details on this bottle. It was $10. I don't know how old it is, but it is beautiful. Looky here, looky here. And Kyra's perfume with a few ingredients. Of course, she has way more scents. These are all the different scents that she's using. So she used a combination of fruity smells and a combination of flowery smells to make her perfume. Of course, the base is alcohol. Then she has the fruits are orange, right? So she has an orange flavor. She has, let me see, where are the other fruits? This is a strawberry champagne. This one is grapefruit. And so the 3 fruits that she's using is strawberries, pink grapefruit, and oranges. Orange flavor. And then she has 4 flowery scent. This one is chamomile. Then she has a white jasmine. Then she has a lavender yang and white sage and lavender. And that is the combination of her perfume. Fruit scent, flower scent. Gave her something wonderful. And here it is in the antique bottle. Can you hear it? Everything was poured in already. And this is how she uses it. Fancy, real fancy. Do you see it? And you just put it wherever you want to put it. Just like that. There we go. Where Marc Jacobs I go. Where all them perfume people I go. Make your own, baby. Make your own. Until next time. Bye-bye.